Alright, this is going to be the elevator, the west elevator at the Heather Pavilion at the Vancouver General Hospital. It's broken. That's too bad. I think there's another one. Okay, it looks like there's another elevator on the other side. That one's broken. I think this is the east one over here. Oh, well, here's this one. Let's hope it works. Christmas lights. Wow. It's an Otis. From 1956. All right, let's go to G. Whoa. Okay. Go up to D. Here we go. Whoa. That was a hard stop. Any classic leveling? A little bit. You can hear the generator up here. G. Wow. Wow, this is cool. It's got the Christmas light arrows. No phone in here, but this is a vintage Otis. I doubt you'll need one. Alright, let's see if we can hear it generate. Ooh, red for up. Interesting. Let's go up 2D. Whoa. Listen. You can hear the relays here. All right. G. £4,000 capacity, it says. Curved ceiling. Wow. Whoa. There's a newer Otis interlock. So the interlock's been replaced, it looks like, in 2003. All right. up to D. Again, amazing elevator. All right, I'm gonna go to C so I can see an intermediate call station. Look. Please don't push the button too hard or the elevator will be stuck on this floor. Look, Christmas lights. Wow. See some of the old shaft equipment. Alright, I don't know if it is nudge mode, but I'm not sure. I want to find out. So let's go to B. Turn B. Oh, so sorry.
That's fine.
Just riding the elevator and doing a documentary of it. It's vintage.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. There it goes.